Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rita Benjamin and you're watching Rita Benjamin's TV. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Thank you guys so much for all the love, for all the support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to add a swipe up link to your Instagram stories. Yes, you heard me right. I did a video about 5 days ago showing you how to add clickable YouTube links to your Facebook stories, and you know how beneficial that is. Especially to startup YouTubers. You know how much traffic it can drive to your channel. So maybe the same goes for Instagram stories. Yes, I know what you might be saying, but you know the requirement for having that swipe up feature is when you have at least 10k followers. Yes, that's the truth, but there is another way. So this video is a solution for you. I'm going to be showing you how to add swipe up feature to your Instagram stories without 10k followers. So without any waste of time, let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is to go over to your Instagram app, open it, and when you do open it, tap on the plus icon. Make sure the video you want to upload is an IGTV video.
Okay.
So,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new,
so that's an IGTV video. If you want to add a cover picture, you can add, but since we are not interested in that, let's just go to the next step. And before you even go ahead and open your Instagram app, make sure you have copied the link of the video you would love to promote on your Instagram stories. So you just need to add your title. Let me just add anything like how to. And when you do add your title, you just need to add your description, and make sure that the first thing you should put down on your description feed is the link of that video before you're putting any other thing. If you have any other thing to add on your description, make sure the link of your video is the first thing you will put. So let's just go ahead and put that is the link of my video. That is the link of my video. If you want to do any other formality like make it visible on Facebook, post a preview, of course you need to post a preview. So just go and tap on next. So that video is uploading, guys. So we'll just come back later when the video has been uploaded. Okay guys, as you can see, our video has been uploaded. So what you want to do is to tap on the share icon and share it to your stories. Tap out on stories. Okay guys, this is our video. So the next thing you want to do is to add the link of your swipe up link. You have to link that video to your IGTV video. So this is the video. You just need to tap on next. So we have added our call to action.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rita Benjamin and you're watching Rita Benjamin's TV.
So let's just go and search for swipe up.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rita Benjamin and you're watching Rita Benjamin's TV. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back.
Okay guys, this is the swipe up feature that we have.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rita Benjamin and you're watching Rita Benjamin's TV. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back.
This is the swipe up link that has been added to your video. So what you want to do is to add something like
back to my channel.
new video add.
Hi, I'm Rita Benjamin and you're watching Rita Benjamin's TV. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. To my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rita Benjamin and you're watching Rita Benjamin's TV. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. To my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here,
okay guys, that's what I've added, because your link will be on your title. So what you need to do is to write something like new video add link in the title. So